Hi guys, in this video we're going to be talking about some of the more abstract data types in Go. So one data type which is in almost every language is arrays. So an array or an array, as some people like to call it, is just a list of ordered items. So in Go, all of the arrays, they need to be symbolic of a particular data structure, of a particular data type. So let's say we create a function to do. So how you define an array is the same way you define a variable, but there are some changes. Like you do a square bracket and int. So this is the way that you define an array. To initialize an array, you have to do array is equal to int. This is the way that you initialize an array. So like in this array 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what happens. fmt.println arr, and then we simply call this function in the main function to do. So you might have noticed that I've created a new file. In the last lectures we were using the main file. In this video we are using the main2.go file. So you can notice that the package is still main. So we can call the swap function in main2.go also. So we can also do a swap over here. See, the swap function is defined. Now on running main2.go, make sure to run main2.go. We have an array 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can also create a string array. You can do array2 is equal to string, and you can do a hi my name, and you can do a array1. My bad, it's array2. Yeah. So to append things to an array, what you can do is you can use the inbuilt append function. So array2 is equal to append array2, and just enter whatever item that you want to append. Is Angad. So if we append this in array2, we have a new array. So the append function just returns a new array with the added item of whatever you wanted to append in that. So we appended only one item here. So let's say if we want to append 2 items or 3 items over here. So let's see what happens in this case. It runs. So you can append how many ever items you want in this array. So this was about appending to an array and declaring an array. Now we're going to be talking a bit more about what are structures.